Hi, welcome back. So in this lesson, let's take the Aeolian mode, the Aeolian mode, and the chord progression that we learned in the last lesson. A, twice, then G, then F, back to G, etc. And we'll do this over and over again. Okay, so let us practice improv now using that chord progression. And I do suggest maybe with your right hand doing sixths, if you're comfortable with sixths, or thirds, or single notes, whatever you're more comfortable with. I'll put the metronome on 70 with the subdivisions. And let's do an intro of 2 measures of the chord progression, and then I'll do 8 measures, and then I'll cue you to do 8 measures. So here we go. This is 70. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Your turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My turn. Your turn. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And end on a A minor. That was fun. And if you noticed in the accompaniment, I did vary the rhythm a little bit, so you can certainly do that when you're after you're comfortable with what we just played. Or whatever you want. You can come up with something and just kind of grow from where we started. So practice, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next lesson.